In this video, you'll learn opposite words, 20 common opposite words about health. Listen to each pair. Healthy, unhealthy, sick, well, strong, weak, happy, sad, active, inactive, awake, asleep, hot, cold, safe, unsafe, fit, unfit, painful, painless, calm, stressed, clean, dirty, rested, tired, flexible, stiff, conscious, unconscious, infected, uninfected, hydrated, dehydrated, alive, dead, improve, worsen, inhale, exhale. That's the end. Nice work. One tip to get much more out of this. Come back and do this video again 2 or 3 times over the next few days. Short practice, repeated across days, works far better than one long session. See you in the next one.